In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Gmail account from Google Chrome and other browsers on your computer or laptop. Let's get started by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're opening the browser where the Gmail or Google account is currently signed in. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if it usually reopens your previous tabs. Once Chrome is open, move your eyes to the very top right corner of the window. You should see either your profile picture, your initials inside a colored circle, or a simple person-shaped icon. This icon represents the current Chrome profile that's active. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls related to the different profiles or accounts that are signed in. After you click it, a small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll often see the current profile at the top, and below that, a section called something like Other Profiles or Other People. Look within that area for a button or link that says Manage People, Manage Profiles, or you might see a small gear icon next to the list of other profiles. That gear icon does the same thing. Click on that option to open the profile management screen. Now you should see a window or tab that shows all the different Chrome profiles set up on this browser. Each profile usually has a name, maybe a picture or icon, and sometimes a brief description. Take a moment to carefully find the profile that's linked to the Gmail account you want to remove. This is important because deleting a profile will remove the browsing data for that profile from this computer. When you've found the correct profile, look for the three dots icon, usually in the top right corner of that profile's box. Click on those three dots and a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose Delete, or it may say Remove this person. Click that option to start the removal process. Chrome will now show a confirmation prompt. This is your last chance to double-check that you've selected the right profile. The message will usually remind you that removing this profile will delete that profile's browsing history, saved passwords, bookmarks, and other local data from this computer. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the button to confirm. Once you confirm, Chrome will remove that profile from the browser. The Gmail account connected to that profile will no longer be active in Chrome on this device. Remember, you can always sign back in later if you need to.